Steve Magnante here at High Octane Classics in Auburn, Massachusetts with a late model high performance muscle car or pony car. This is a 2019 Mustang GT with the mighty Coyote 5-liter dual overhead cam, 4-valve V8, 460 horsepower, but this one's extra special. This one has the PP2 or Performance Package Level 2, which is a $6,500 add-on when the car was new that elevates it to about the next best thing to a GT 350. And if you want to go chase Camaro Z28L 1LEs, this is the car to do it in. Under the hood on these, you'll find strut tower brace. There it is right there, which helps to improve cornering, which of course doesn't really need much improving on these things. Standard Magneride 4-wheel active suspension, which adjusts the calibration of the struts like, I don't know, 1,000 times a second or something like that. But with that said, this is about the ultimate expression of a 5-liter Mustang, short of a GT 350 with its 5.2-liter Voodoo engine. Again, these will run 12/42 quarter miles, 12.4. You go back to the 1960s, there was no factory Mustang that would run a 12 anything. Boss 429s would be lucky to go 13.9. GT 500s, etc., would be, you know, mid-13, maybe a 14.0 kind of a car. So we've come that far, and these come standard with factory line lock, factory roll control, and just an amazing piece. Now, these are the 19 by 10.5-inch front wheels, which come with the PP2 system. There's a 19 by 11 in the back. One difference is the way that the air valve, the stem goes into the triangular part here on the front wheel, and on the back, same basic wheel, 1/2 inch wider, but the air valve is in the square part. Very subtle difference, but again, PP2 people know what we're talking about. These wheels are very special. In addition, these have Michelin Pilot Cup supercar tires all the way around, and these are the ultimate sticky Coyote-powered Mustang. Beautiful car, done in black. The Recaro buckets up front are an option, an upgrade over the standard stuff in a PP2. 6-speed only. Again, PP2 not available on an automatic Mustang. So if you can't work a clutch, well, you won't have the pleasure of driving this amazing car. Speedometer goes to 160 miles an hour, and you get pretty close to running that with this without any trouble. The engine turn dash face is also part of the PP2 package. And I dare say, you know, instant collectible. I mean, these cars are sheer power. There's nothing about these that's bogus, like 1976, the Ford Mustang 2 Cobra. Remember the Cobra 2? We've come so far. These things are absolutely, nothing about these is simulated. These are all very, very serious cars. Of course, the PP2 is a standard spoiler on the tail, which does work to exert some downforce above 80, 90 miles per hour. Almost 100 pounds at high speed. So to keep this thing planted really well in the trunk, let's have a peek. Of course, we have the fob, 2 clicks on that. Up it comes. Nice clean trunk compartment here, all the felt, original and accounted for. Nice to see too that these cars come again with the Michelin Pilot Cup Sport tires. No spare. What you get is a factory compressor should you have to fill them up, but again, no spare tire to, well, shed weight. And these are run flats too. So again, so many things on the new Mustangs that we're dreaming about back in the 60s and 70s that have come to fruition. And one thing too, the PP2 comes with its owner's supplement right here. This tells you all about the special features baked into the PP2. So that's the story of this car, and the best thing here is 12,500 original miles. Not modified, it's no day 2 stuff on this, so it's a very pure example of the pinnacle of the Coyote Mustang. So to learn more about this, go to the High Octane Classics website, and keep in mind you can buy this car with as little as 10% down. High Octane Classics also delivers cars, and they'll take trades, airplanes, boats, daily drivers, classics, you name it. And with 12 years in the business, High Octane Classics is always looking to add employees in service or sales, and also while they sell cars, they also buy cars from 1 to 50. If you have something to sell, or maybe you want to join the team here at High Octane Classics, give them a call at 508-859-4515. And to learn more about this 2019 Power Package 2 Mustang Coyote, check it out again at the High Octane Classics website.